Rotary International District 9141 announces the installation of Andy UWEJEYAN as District Governor year 2021 to 2022. Together, we have made a difference. Together, we have inspired, innovated, transformed, and now we are set to consolidate. Let's meet in Asaba as we serve to change lives. Date Saturday 17th July 2021. Venue the Dome Event Center off Okpanam Road, Asaba, Delta State. Early bird registration of 10,000 naira ends 30th April 2021. Regular registration of 15,000 naira ends 20th June 2021. Get ready for the installation like no other. Rotary will serve to change lives.